Hello guys, what's up? For creating Outlook account, search here Office login. Then select the fast link Microsoft 365 login. Then click sign in. We are going to create new account, so create one, select create one option. Then select create new account. Then create account. Select the name of your Outlook account. Then create password. One capital letter, one letter, and others can be small letter. You can show password after giving. I'm not interested to show it. Then next. Then type your first name and last name. Then next, select your country. Birthday. Next, please solve the puzzle. You can skip it. Here audio.
Option 1.
Option 1.
Option 2.
Option 3. Option 3.
Here you have to search the
Option 1.
exact
Option 2.
1.
questions answer.
Option 2.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Option 1.
Option 1.
Option 2. Option 3.
Option 2. Option 3.
Option 1.
Option 1.
Option 2.
Option 2.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Option 1.
Option 1.
Option 2.
Option 2.
Option 3.
Option 3.
After verification, your account will automatically load. Then you have to agree with Outlook's privacy agreement. Click continue if you agree. Now you're saying that Outlook mail account has been created. Now you're saying that our Outlook mail account has been created successfully. We can use all Microsoft apps from here. through online, not offline. You can install app if you want to buy premium. You can source monthly early pack from here. I'm not interested to buy any pack. So that's all. Thanks for watching.